Next is humification. Humification is the formation of humus. And what is this humus? Humus is the organic component of soil formed by the decomposition of detritus by soil microorganisms. It is an organic component of soil formed by the decomposition of detritus by the soil microorganisms. That is known as humus. This humification can take place naturally also. It can be artificially done. Okay, artificially humification means a composting process. The detritivores can be utilized for the process of humification. Next here humus is dark colored amorphous substance, colloidal in nature and good amount of nitrogen also locked up. What is this humus? Humus is a organic component. How it will be? It will be dark brown in color and it will be in an amorphous state. Means amorphous substance means there will be no particular shape for the substance, and colloidal in nature. Colloidal means in that substance all the particles, small particles will be dispersed throughout another substances also. Means it will be in the combined state. That is meant by colloidal in nature, and the amount of nitrogen, good amount of nitrogen will be present in the humus. Next, it is highly resistant to microbial action. The humus is highly resistant to the microbial activity. What are the microbes involved here? It involves the organic matter is humified by the combination of saprophytic fungi and bacteria, and also some of the animals also involved in that process. Those are earthworms, nematodes, protozoans and arthropods also. You all know soil arthropods will be there that are required for the increase in the soil fertility. The microorganisms will be decomposing the organic matter and it is directly involving in the increase of the soil fertility. How can you say that the soil is fertile? Means the plant, when the plant is growing well, the growth and development of the plant is well in that particular kind of soil, means you can say that the soil is fertile. And the humus is highly resistant to microbial action. Here the rate of decomposition is extremely slow. The decomposition process will be at the slower rate here, extremely slower rate, and forms soil and its physical structure. Here you know humus, organic matter in the top layer of the soil. Organic matter is present. Here it is forming the soil and it is giving the physical structure for the soil, and the humus is containing most of the nutrients. That is why it is acting as a reservoir of nutrients. Here the most of the microorganisms and the plants also depending upon the humus only. Like that, it is a source of food for the soil microorganisms also, as well as for the plants also. Like that, it is a reservoir of nutrients. Okay, that is about the humification. Humification is a formation of humus. Okay, formation of humus. Humus is a dark colored substance and it is amorphous substance and colloidal in nature also, and it is possessing the nitrogen and many organic components also, organic substances, water soluble, like organic, inorganic substances also will be present in the humus. Next is mineralization. Mineralization means further degradation, further decomposition process will be taken place by the soil microbes. Further decomposition process takes place. Here the process of further degradation of humus by the action of certain microbes and convert into inorganic nutrients. Inorganic nutrients here carbon dioxide, water and nutrients will be formed here. In the process of mineralization, here more further degradation process taking place and the microbial action also will be taking place. The enzyme means the action of certain microbes and convert the humus will be the further that detritus will be that humus will be converted into the inorganic nutrients like carbon dioxide, water and nutrients. That is known as mineralization. Here mineralization, here minerals will be available for the plants. Here minerals will be available for the plants. That is known as mineralization. Further degradation of humus by the microbial action. Means microbes are involved. Further degradation of the humus takes place and the conversion of humus into inorganic nutrients will be happening there. Here inorganic nutrients and carbon dioxide, water also will be formed. Inorganic nutrients, carbon dioxide, water will be formed in the process of mineralization. In the process of decomposition, decomposition process involves 5 steps. 5 steps. First one is fragmentation. In the process of fragmentation, what is happening? The detritus is broken down, means breakdown of the organic, means detritus. Detritus has been taking place in the process of fragmentation. Next, leaching process. Leaching process, what is happening? Water soluble nutrients. Water soluble nutrients are going down into the deeper layers of the soil. Next one is catabolism. Catabolism means there is an involvement of the enzymatic actions, means some of the enzymes are released by the microbes and the enzymatic action is going on. That is called as catabolism. Next one is humification. Humification is the formation of humus. Next one, mineralization. Mineralization means further degradation of the humus and forming the inorganic nutrients. The humus is converted into the inorganic nutrients and carbon dioxide and water also will be evolved there, will be formed there, okay, in the process of mineralization. That is the decomposition process. And some of the factors also influencing the decomposition process. What are those factors? Here soil temperature, availability of oxygen, climatic factors. These climatic factors involve soil temperature and soil moisture. Soil temperature and soil moisture and composition of detritus also. First one is soil temperature. You know, for everything, for metabolic activities of the organisms, you know, optimum temperature is required. Similarly, soil microbes also or the decomposers also requires optimum temperature in order to perform the activities. Decomposition process will be rapid or slower depending upon the temperature of the soil. When the temperature is more, that is not favorable, that is not suitable for the metabolic activities. Here the decomposition rate will be decreased whenever the soil temperature is more. Similarly, the soil moisture here. Soil moisture, these two are related to climatic factors. Soil moisture, why the soil moisture is required? You know, aerobic microbes will be there, aerobic bacteria will be there. This aerobic microbes, they will be taking the dissolved oxygen whatever present in the soil in the form of moisture. That oxygen will be taken up by the microbes and they will be performing the decomposition process. Like that, soil moisture also, it is very, very important. Next, availability of oxygen. Availability of oxygen is also important. How means they without oxygen they cannot perform the activity. They have to undergo anaerobic process of respiration. If the oxygen availability is not there, okay, sufficient amount of oxygen is not there, what will happen? there is no process of decomposition, and there will be accumulation of the organic matter takes place. Okay. Next, composition of detritus. Okay, decomposition process also depends upon the composition of detritus. If the microorganisms are starting decomposition process, means first they will act on the sugars only, sugars and starches from the carbohydrates. Will get the starches from carbohydrates. So they will be acting on the sugars and starches also. Okay, like that initially they will be decomposing those things, and later on proteins, and later on, okay, later on what will happen, the resins and some of the waxes, fats also. Okay, like that they will be decomposing like a slower manner. The decomposition also will be faster and slower process. If the detritus, if the organic matter or the detritus is rich in nitrogen, water soluble nutrients like sugars, if they are present, means the decomposition process will be faster. If the detritus containing or the organic matter containing lignin, chitin, means the decomposition process will be at the slower rate. Okay, means the decomposition process depends upon the composition of detritus also. Okay, this is about the decomposition process.